I'm standing in front of Pakhal Wildlife Sanctuary in Warangal district. There are very few tiger sightings here. This is the entrance. This lake has mugger crocodiles. As of now, there is no jeep safari available here, but in future, the forest department was telling me that they would be introducing battery operated vehicles to take the tourists inside the sanctuary. I have spotted a cormorant. Let me see if I can bring it closer. There. Must be pleasant in the evenings. This one seems to be the group leader.